Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy you guys decided to stop back in and come see you, girl. I'm creating a really simple look today, cranberry look with a touch of pink using Juvia's Place Masquerade mini palette. So let's just get right into it. So, I'm gonna warm my crease up using Zuri. Oh, no, her name's not Zuri, her name's Zulu. Zulu, my bad. My bad. My bad. So, I'm just gonna go right into my crease and start warming it up. Back into warming up that crease. I'm still looking down there and I have this right here. This palette does have a little bit of kickback, so just be careful. Make sure you dust that brush off so that you won't have fallout everywhere. So now that my crease is all nice and warm, we're gonna use Ada. And I'm gonna go in with a smaller blending brush and apply it right under Zulu. Ada's really pretty. These colors are very pigmented too, so you don't need much on your brush to start out with. I'm just gonna pull it all the way to the inside. Now I'm going back in with the same brush I used to put Zulu on, and I'm just going to blend out the top of my crease. With the same brush I used to apply Ada, I am going to dip into Zobo. And I'm just using a eyeshadow brush to apply the pink. I'm just gonna go in and put that on the center of my lid, like so. I'm gonna dab lightly into Ada and Zobo, and I'm going to blend out that pink that I just applied on the center, just to make sure it's nice and smooth. So I just have my damp beauty blender, and I'm just going to blend out the color corrector that's underneath my eyes. And I think for today's foundation, I am going to actually try out this new Makeup Revolution Fast Base Stick Foundation, because I don't want to do anything heavy. Me and my husband were about to go have some lunch. But yeah, I don't want to do anything too heavy. I just, you know, I want to look cute and simple. So I'm going to go ahead and apply. Ooh. Jesus, what is this? It's 13. Let's see what this do. Okay, never mind. I don't know about this girl yet. We're gonna come back to her. She look like she gonna leave me ashy. Alright, so let's just keep it simple. So I'm going to be using my black Opal foundation stick in the color Nutmeg. I love these black Opal foundations, because the stick foundations, because they're so lightweight. Like, they're lightweight and they have a really nice finish to them. Like, I like them a lot. Alright, so now that I got some Fix Plus on, this is going to blend out so much easier and faster and better. And it's going to sit, like I said, like a second skin. Alright, so now I am going to go in with my trusty, dusty concealer. This is LA Girls Pro Conceal in the color Fawn. Fawn. That's a funny word. While that's drying, I'm gonna go ahead and contour with Black Opal's Suede Mocha foundation stick. So normally I blend my concealer out with my beauty blender, but today I'm gonna try my old school method. I used to use this brush all the time to blend out my concealer. It's just a really dense pointed synthetic hairbrush, but it blends like a charm that I can't remember. If not, I can always go back over it with my beauty blender, and I'm just spraying it with a little bit of Fix Plus, just a little bit. Blending pretty good, pretty good, pretty good, pretty good, pretty good, pretty good. I'm gonna go in with this little contour fluffy brush and blend out my contour. And I'm brushing up. Take it and flick it up. That's just how I like to do it. Putting some color, breathing life back into my face. This is like, after highlighter, I think blending my contour out is like my second favorite part of doing my face, because it just breathes life. Like after you put on foundation and you've applied your concealer, I just went blank. What the hell? The concealer, like it brings you back to life. So I just knocked all of my eyeshadows down on the floor. It's all good though, it's all good, it's all good. Alright, so now that that's done, no, I have not forgot to blend out my highlight on my nose, y'all. I just like to do it with my little booty blender. Alright, now I'm gonna blend out this little guy. Like so. Not too much, just enough, you know, just enough. Yeah, but I'm gonna share with y'all a little secret that I like to do. I love Being Nice setting powders, but the banana doesn't really work for me because of my skin tone. So I bought his topaz powder and it's too orange. So I bought his colorless neutral set powder and mixed the two. Made this a little bit lighter and I love it. I love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and set my under eye concealer. See that color? It's like, it's perfect for me. It's perfect for me. It's perfect for me. And last but not least, the forehead. Gotta get to the forehead. Can't be shining, 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 y'all. all of this forehead. So now that that's set, I'm gonna go ahead and set my, I like to use this Morphe bronzer, and it's a bronzer and contour in one. And I literally use both of them together and set my contour with that. Go ahead and put my under eye eyeshadow on. I need an inner corner color, so I'm gonna go in with this color here, and it's called Casablanca. Oh yes, that's so pretty. That's really pretty. Good choice, guys. Alright, okay, I'm done. I'm going to be using Makeup Revolution's Vivid Baked Bronzer in the color Rock On World for my highlights world. Yes, I am country, y'all. I can't help it. Like, it's in me. It's born in it. I was born with it, literally. But this is actually a baked bronzer. I'm going to use it as a highlight because it's so pretty. Decided with the dark lip, of course, so I'm gonna go in with MAC's Nightmoth pencil again and line my lips. And we're done. No, I'm kidding. I'm gonna fill it in with the Colourpop and Mamacita. Ooh. So, I'm loving this color. Love, 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 love. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this as much as I did. If you decide to recreate, make sure you tag me on IG so I can see at 1Cayenne. Also, if you have any questions about this hair, it is a link down below. I got it from West Kiss Hair Store, just in case you're wondering. If you like what you see, don't forget to thumbs up your girl and comment below. Let me know what you guys want to see next. Really quick before I go, because my husband is waiting on me, don't forget to subscribe, click the bell so that you'll be notified when I upload next. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.